Good morning, friends. This is Sri Harsha from Crazy Money Retreat. Today is 18th of January, and let's see what's happening in the market and how you can actually take trading. What exactly happened on Indian market, US market, European market, and how it will affect us and what you should do. Let's understand in detail. If you are still not a part of my YouTube channel, go and like the video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications. So let's get started, guys. What exactly happened on Friday? So I told you very clearly we may be in that range of 14,400 to 600, and if you ask me, I'll be more on the selling mode. That's what I told you on Friday, and that's exactly what happened. And we have actually got a good 200 points downside move. See, right now what is happening is banks are actually looking a little weak, and now it's mainly the bank nifty which is probably going to push the prices down, but probably it is more on the sideways at this point of time, and it is actually in a tight range what I can see. And there are some sectors which are doing good, some sectors which are doing bad. Overall, actually, a lot of sectors have started coming into correction mode. Pharma sector has come into a correction mode, which is a very major thing which I can see. And IT sector is still going good, though actually at the higher levels there's a good amount of selling pressure which came in. IT sector overall is placed much better. Metals are actually still more relatively good place, but they are at a very decisive levels right now. And FMCG also is relatively better off. The major thing challenge which I can see is all the high beta sectors, there are challenges. Auto sector is still doing good. So what I can see is actually 50-50 kind of thing which is happening, but which can be a make or break. So currently, if I have to analyze the Indian market and the other global markets, Indian markets are at a much better placed. They are much more stronger than the other markets which are there. All the other markets, including the US and the European markets, are looking much more weaker than the Indian market. So what happens is, if we are going to correct, it is more due to the global markets than our own market, because our market are looking quite strong and the liquidity is extremely on the high note. So from that perspective, overall if you see, we have been more on a positive news flow, saying that the vaccination drive and all. And there are some news from the Norway which has come recently, where the vaccination has some challenges. People have actually had some deaths even with the vaccine. So there is a overall doubt on the Pfizer vaccine which actually has come into the picture. So there's some negative news which are actually coming in. And the European markets, what is happening is they're facing a challenge of supply of the vaccine. So there is not enough supply, which is actually, the demand is very high but the supply is not there. So the production capabilities are still not that great. So there is a mixed kind of news which are there. And now on this Wednesday, the president is going to actually come into the power. So the stimulus thing and all which they are expecting that the stimulus is going to come outright, but probably it may not really happen, because it there can still be a tussle of things. So let's see how things are going to go. There's a lot of news flow today. Actually, China GDP data is also going to be watched. So there's a lot of news flows which is going to affect the market. So overall, if I have to see, we are probably going to be more on sideways to negative is what I can see. It is difficult for the markets to go higher. So it is having a lot of struggle going higher. So in this case, if it has to go higher, it needs to have some healthy correction before we see a big price up move. Otherwise, at the higher levels, we may keep seeing a sell off which could come. So I have been actually telling you we have to be cautious on the market, and that's what is happening. So be cautious on the market. On your long side, be very cautious. Short side, probably we'll get a lot of opportunities. Be open for that, and a lot of things could happen in the market. So let's see how actually things are there currently. It looks like the futures are showing a negative sign in the US, European, and even in the Indian market scenario. So we may open flat to negative, and probably very likely we may try testing yesterday's low, which was at 14,350 level, and probably we may go a little down, and there could be some technical bounce which could be seen. I see this is more of a technical bounce than a real trade which could happen. I see more of a technical bounce expected, and this technical bounce can take the prices higher. Possibility is there. So at the lower level you may get some good amount of buying interest coming in. So if it is going to be the US and the European markets, if the futures are going to trade more negatively, maybe 1 or 2% down and all, then that could actually act as a pressure for the market. Otherwise, if the markets are going to be same flattish kind of thing, what I would see is probably we may open a little flat to negative, and then we may go a little negative, then probably we may again come back to the same prices at which we have actually been there, and we may be more on the sideways is what I can see. So if you have a short positions at the lower level, it is better to cover because there could be a bounce back which could happen. So if we are actually failing to move higher, and if we are more in the sideways zone, so I would see the market probably may shift from buy on dips to sell on rallies. This is possible, but there is no confirmation yet. Bank Nifty is trying to show that there is a the reversal is there now, but we need to actually see a follow through selling, then actually the confirmation is there, and we also need to see what is going to happen in the US market. Overall, this week if we actually start trading negative, if this weekly closing is negative, then probably the reversal is in the place. So that's what actually we can see. Overall, markets are actually going to be more on the sideways zone, and it's better for us to be careful on the long positions. Probably in the IT sectors you may still have some buying interest which is going to come, but overall actually markets are not looking that great. So it's better to have a position should be as low as possible. That's what I can see. Gold, silver is more sideways at this point of time. It probably is the stimulus which actually is expected, they are not actually that positive on this, so probably they are not expecting the stimulus to happen so easily, and in that case probably it can be negative for gold, silver also. So it is actually on the sidelines, and probably it is coming near the support. If it fails to actually hold the support, then actually the sell off in gold, silver can intensify. So we need to be careful even there. So probably right now what we were seeing, all the things which were actually moving on the higher side, probably all the things may actually go down. Same scenario is with the crude oil. Crude oil also, if the stock markets are not going to perform, crude oil is going to face a lot of challenges there. And the cryptocurrency, so let's look at what is happening in the bitcoins. And the bitcoin scenario, I've been telling you, it is a bubble which has actually got burst, and now we can see, I told you when it was actually again trying to hit the 40,000 levels, I told you very clearly it is a time, it is clearly showing that we need to get out of it, and that's what is happening. So what all the riskier things whichever were actually moving higher have started going down. So we need to be very careful on the markets. Very likely the reversal is in the way, but there is no confirmation yet, so we may be more sideways. Higher levels there will be opportunity for you to sell. So this is what I can actually tell you. If you are liking the information I'm sharing with you, go ahead, like the video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. If you want to get more clarity, more information, be tuned on my Telegram channel, which is Crazy Money with Sri. Say search for Crazy Money with Sri, join there also. I give you the exact support and resistance levels for the day-to-day basis. You can actually watch out there, and on top of that I actually share you a lot more information there. If you are not a part of my pro trading system, which is my signature program, which I actually do this Monday, this is today, in the evening 7:30 I have a new batch starting. If you want to be a part of that, in the Telegram channel I'll be sharing you a link which you can join, and I'll be streaming it live today, the first day program. You can watch it for free if you want, and if you then you can take a decision if you feel this is the ideal program for you. I'll be sharing you all the information, how actually it works, everything. You can go ahead and join the program. Thank you very much, guys. Have a profitable day. Thank you very much.